yeah, if that hot wire grounds to anything, it'll honk. Oh, yep, see? All right, what's going on, everybody? We are back with another video here on the Enebo Racing channel. Today, we're gonna be doing a couple of things on Project Stormtrooper here. We're gonna be throwing these kick panels back in. Should be somewhat simple. Just gotta find the right push pins to toss those back in. And then also, we're gonna be removing my quick release steering wheel hub. When I installed it, it really does kind of extend the steering wheel pretty far out towards the driver. And so I'm gonna remove it and just mount the steering wheel straight up to the hub adapter. I have the MOMO steering wheel hub adapter. We're gonna mount that up, see how that goes. Shouldn't be too big of a project here, but just wanna show you guys what we got going on. All right, gonna take these out here. Alrighty. So these are the wires that if they touch, you're gonna hear it honking. And I had taped up this side just to prevent that from happening ever. You don't need no weird horn problems. So, but yeah, if that hot wire grounds to anything, it'll honk. That's locked in. And now I can hold on to this or sell it or whatever I plan on doing. But for now, this is gonna go back in here. Oh, yep, see? Can't ground that wire on nothing. She'll honk at you, she'll let you know. All right, so once you get these little screws out, everything will just kind of be in pieces here. The horn just goes in there, trim ring. This will be either staying with me or I might sell it, depending on if I feel like I need it or not. But otherwise, a couple little spacers. But yeah, we're just gonna toss this wheel right onto the MOMO steering wheel hub and see how it feels. Now we're rocking here. All right, so here's the wheel without it having the quick release on it. And you know, I do like the look of it a lot better and the feel of it, to be honest, but it is nice because I still have the tilt wheel. So if I need to, you know, get it up and out of the way, that'll work. Gives me a ton of leg room. But yeah, it's a pretty sweet setup. And I do like the way that wheel looks. All right, so what we got going down here on this kick panel, there's a hole right there for a push pin. This one's got two places for a push pin. However, I'm only seeing really one spot that's gonna take it, unless they're talking about this big square, which I don't think I'm gonna be able to use anymore, but nonetheless, we'll get this in. And then the hardest part is finding a push pin that will fit down into here. To really seal this up against the side here. So we're gonna get to work and see what happens. All right, so probably for the first time in a while, I don't remember the last time I had this kick panel back in, but finally got it. And yeah, kick panel installed. I ended up using one of these and one of these really long ones. Yeah, worked like a charm. All right, just got the passenger side installed as well. Got all the Terminator X wiring all hidden. Now it's looking like a full street car. I haven't had those kick panels in there for, geez, at least a year. It's nice to see the car looking how it should. Clean, clean, nice. All right, well, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Short and sweet, but we're just getting some random stuff knocked out until we get into the fun stuff. Of course, we got the fuel system to do on Project Stormtrooper here, but also got to finish up that stereo once the weather cooperates. It's currently raining outside, but you know, we'll finish that up shortly. But you know, for now, make sure to hit that like button down below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I super appreciate it, guys. Make sure to hit that like button down below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay ripping.